Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing gear that maximizes movement. Pick the fastest vehicle or glide tool so you cover ground quickly. Once done, open the map and mark known sticker clusters to create an efficient loop, making sure to prioritize dense areas first. Start at the southern spawn and sweep clockwise through nearby valleys and ridgelines. This way you minimize backtracking and hit high-probability nooks early while your stamina and resources remain abundant. Now you shift into methodical coverage. Follow terrain shortcuts like jump ramps, zip lines, and ledge hops to connect distant clusters quickly. Make sure to inspect inside buildings, under bridges, and behind snow mounds because many stickers sit just off the obvious path. Once you reach a populated area, trigger local events or interact with NPCs. These actions can respawn or reveal stickers. Keep a mental checklist and cross off cleared zones so you avoid rechecking the same spots unnecessarily. Finish by clearing the cold corners. Caves, cliff shadows, and frozen crevices often hold the last few stickers. You should walk slowly and use emotes or item highlight abilities to ping suspected locations. Visual cues change when you're close. If a sticker still won't appear, don't panic. Reset the instance or relog, then return to the area after the spawn timer. This forces respawn mechanics. One troubleshooting tip: confirm you're in the correct difficulty or event state, because some stickers only spawn under specific conditions.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.